In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your bid on eBay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to successfully retract your bid and ensure that you understand the process involved. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the auction listing where you placed your bid. It is essential to review the auction details carefully to confirm the specific bid you want to cancel. eBay allows bid cancellations only under certain circumstances, such as entering the wrong bid amount or requiring seller approval. Understanding the listing status before proceeding helps prevent any mistakes. Next, locate the official bid retraction page on the eBay platform. You can usually find this by searching for bid retraction in the help section or through the main menu. Once you are on the bid retraction page, enter the item number associated with the auction listing. After entering the item number, select the reason for retracting your bid from the provide options. It is important to provide accurate information that explains why you need to cancel the bid. After you have filled in all the required fields, carefully verify the details before submitting the form. The system will review your request to ensure it meets the platform guidelines. This verification step is crucial as it determines whether your cancellation request will be processed. Take a moment to double check that all entered information is correct to avoid any complications. Once you are confident in the accuracy of your submission, go ahead and submit the bid retraction request. If your request aligns with eBay's guidelines, the system will proceed to cancel your bid. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your bid has been successfully removed from the auction. Keep in mind that frequent cancellations can negatively impact your account activity, so it is advisable to double check your bids before placing them in future auctions. That wraps up today's guide on how to cancel your bid on eBay. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.